Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at one of the most popular DNA tests out there, AncestryDNA. Now, I've used this service for a while now, and I want to share with you some positives and potential downsides I found throughout my testing. So if you want to know more about AncestryDNA and whether or not it's the best option for you in your situation, then this video is going to be for you. Without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in the video you'd like to check out AncestryDNA, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below to help save you a bit of money. Now, the best thing about AncestryDNA is that it has the largest database, which is impressive considering they entered the genealogy DNA market later than Family Tree DNA and 23andMe. However, AncestryDNA was able to attract a large number of people through their commercials and advertising, surpassing the size of both Family Tree DNA and 23andMe's databases. As of the end of 2022, their databases had over 22 million people, and it continues to grow at a rate of about 1 million per year. And another detail I like about Ancestry is that they automatically link your DNA test to your family tree. This means that when you have a tree on Ancestry and you take a DNA test, the information is connected to other people's trees. So when you find matches with others, you can easily compare your trees to see where you have common ancestors. Now, Ancestry has a lot of amazing features, and one of them is the genetic community tab. This feature is especially useful for those who don't know much about their heritage, for example, adoptees. Genetic communities are groups of people who have historically migrated together, such as Irish, German, Dutch, or Italian immigrants to the Americas. Ancestry has studied its large database of people with different family trees to identify DNA patterns specific to these groups. This can be a valuable clue for people who are just starting out their genealogical journey or are adopted and don't know their biological family. Genetic communities often reflect the last 100 to 200 years of history. By exploring their genetic communities, adoptees may discover connections to specific regions or groups of people, providing insights into their ancestry. These genetic communities have been found to align well with known family histories, adding credibility to their value as a tool for understanding your heritage. Now, one thing worth mentioning is that while Ancestry currently does not have a chromosome browser, there are still informative factors that can indicate your genetic relationship with matches. For example, there's another unique feature that Ancestry has called DNA Circles, which allows you to discover a network of individuals who share common ancestors with you. This gives you the chance to uncover fascinating family connections and expand your understanding of your heritage. Also, Ancestry's DNA matching feature gives you some valuable insights into your genetic relationships by showcasing the amount of DNA you share with your matches and the number of segments involved. This information gives you a better understanding of the magnitude of your genetic connection and guides you in exploring your family tree. And added to that, Ancestry's DNA matching feature identifies potential relatives and provides a general range of the relationship to you, which is useful in exploring your family tree. This categorization into groups such as first to third cousins, second to fourth cousins, or distant relatives allows you to gauge the proximity of your genetic connections and dive into your family history. While detailed chromosome information would be beneficial, Ancestry's current matching system still provides valuable insights into your genetic relationships and helps you piece together your ancestral puzzle. Now, when it comes to account management, Ancestry's platform now allows for the management of multiple kits, making it convenient for families with minor children who can't set up their own accounts. Parents can easily oversee DNA testing for their children and access the relevant information on their own account. While there have been changes to managing multiple kits for non-related individuals, Ancestry still provides a means to manage kits for family members within a single account, simplifying the process and ensuring all pertinent DNA information is easily accessible. So these have been some of the pros and cons I've found while using AncestryDNA. And to sum it up, even though I would like for this service to include more chromosome features like chromosome browsers, it still goes above and beyond with other features that help you get to know a lot more about your family, your heritage, and your history. And basically, having the biggest database out of all of the DNA testing services is a huge plus in my books. So I highly recommend this service for anyone who wants to know more about their heritage and history, especially for families, as they can all be included under one account. And if you're an adoptee, you can get to know a lot more about your family's roots and histories thanks to the service's huge database. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in AncestryDNA, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you guys have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful, or if you'd like to stay up to date with future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.